What's going on, guys? Kishore channel is back to action. So today, guys, I have the beast BoAt Rockerz 600. So I'm very excited to open this beast up. So let me show the box pretty quick. So here are some features of these headphones. This is the wireless headphones, and the music playback is 20 hours and the charging time is 3 hours. And you can see the headphones over here and the company branding over here, and there's nothing in below there. So let's open this box up. So let me cut these sides with a knife so I can actually open the box. So alright, so let me open it. Yeah, okay. So the beast is here. Yeah, you can look at here. So let me open it pretty quick. Yo, wow, it actually can fold itself. Oh wow. Okay, let me show some manuals. And what is this? This is a manual. You can actually pause the video and read all this kinds of stuff. So yeah, this is the other side. So okay, you can actually charge it. Alright, so this is the warranty card. So we have 1 year warranty, so that's pretty good thing. And what are these? Okay, there are 2 different types of cables in here. Let me open that pretty quick. Okay, okay, these are the 2-sided aux cables. And what is this? Okay, okay, this is a USB port and mobile pin. Okay, now what is this? Okay, we'll just open this up afterwards. Okay, I'll show you that in the further video. Okay, what is this? I don't know. Okay, I think these all are the collabs. Okay, CSK, wow. So there are some celebrities here. Okay, earphones and small speakers, and that's the headphones. That is the beast. So I don't know what is this. Okay, there are some cricketers and stuff. So let me quickly fold it all up and open the beast first. Yeah, that's the beast. So okay, where is the beast? Here we go. I'm gonna open the beast in 3, 2, 1. Yo, this is the beast BoAt Rockerz 600. So let me quickly show the beast over here. So this is the company branding over here, and okay, there are some buttons over here. Okay, so that's the volume down button, and this is the volume up button. That means you can actually increase the volume, and this is the multi-purpose button. You can actually lift calls, and you can actually power the beast on actually. Yeah, so here we go. What actually we got in this packet over here? I think this is a backpack. I mean, like a small pouch. Okay, yeah, my guess is right. So wow, that actually looks amazing. Okay, you can actually put the headphones over here. I mean, in that, and you can actually take it anywhere. Wow, it is actually foldable and silk. Wow, that's actually impressive. So here we go. I'm gonna connect the beast, I mean the headphones, with my phone over here. So we have to hold the button, the multi-purpose button, 3 seconds. So actually it had to blink like that. Yeah, I know you guys can see that. Yeah, now actually that light blinks like that. That means it is in sharing mode. So you have to open Bluetooth in your phone. So let me open that pretty quick. Okay, let's go to the Bluetooth settings. So over here we have the scan for Bluetooth devices. So let me scan. I can actually find a name called as BoAt BoAt Rockerz 600 over there. So yeah, look at that. You can actually find a device called like that, and you have to click on it. Then it'll start to pair, and yeah, mine is connected. Yeah, you can see it right there. It is connected. So now you can actually plug the headphones because it is connected. So let me show an example. Let me show a video or stuff like that. So let's quickly open YouTube up. Oh, come on. Yeah. So let's go. Yeah. Until then, just like the video, guys. Make sure you like this video. You know, I'm actually giving an explanation like this. So I have searched my channel. So there are many content in our channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, I'm playing a video now. So yeah, oh, sorry, I have actually got an advertisement. So I think you guys can hear that. I don't think so, but actually it is working right now. Just try it, guys. It actually works. Okay guys, the previous one is the Bluetooth method. So this is the power saving method. So you can actually save power of the phone which you are using, a phone or laptop or whatever the music device. So you can actually use these headphones as a wired one by plugging these aux cables on. Okay, you have to plug one of the aux in cable in the music device and the other to the headphones jack. So now you can see it, the aux cable out, I mean in. So you can actually plug that in right there. Yeah, now you can use these headphones as a wired one. So this doesn't take the charging of the headphone, so you don't need to worry. And this also saves the power of the phone or laptop or whatever things you're actually watching. So yeah, I'm again watching my videos. You too watch my videos. Yeah guys, I know there's another cable in the box with a USB port. So let me quickly untie it up and show you guys how this cable can be used. So these are the ends, a USB port and a pin port which can be plugged for mobile phones and stuff like that. So for doing that, you have to bring a charger or a power bank like that to charge the headphones. So you have to plug the USB port to the charger or power bank and the other end to the headphones. So that's the headphone jack like there, I mean right there. So let me quickly put that inside. Oh, come on, come on. Yeah, finally I've put it in there. So yeah, I'm ready now. So we have to plug that charger on. So when we plug that, you can actually observe a red light coming here. That means the headphone is being charged. So this is how you charge the headphones. So guys, you can actually fold the headphones like this and put it anywhere. And while you're traveling, you can fold it like that and put it in the pouch which is given in the box. So let me put that pretty quick. Yeah. Wow, that actually looks pretty cool. And just pull those strings like that. And yeah, we're done guys. So yo, that looks cool. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel. And peace.